Hey, do you believe in zombies? I do. I know for sure there's some in my backyard every night. Let's go look for them. I think we're getting close. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're getting close. Yeah. Right there they are. And there's some more. And a little one right there. Well, that was pretty fun last night, fooling around in the backyard and making the intro to this video. But what the heck kind of zombies am I talking about? Obviously, I don't have this kind of zombie in the backyard. But what I do have is what I call zombie onions. So it's just green onions. Green onions, and this is kind of the bottom of one. What I do in the kitchen is if we have green onions, and I'm not going to use the whole thing, probably, everybody cuts off the bottom. I'll cut off the bottom of the onion and I'll wrap it in a paper towel, put the paper towel in a clear glass, moisten it a little bit of water in there, keep it on the windowsill in the sun, and just kind of watch it and let it sprout a little bit. The roots get a little bit more integrity to them. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of a green top to sprout out the top. And then I take them out to my raised bed garden and I plant them in the garden. After a while, they grow into just a regular onion. I only do that once, so I only give my zombie onions one extra life. They tend to grow a little bit smaller, but they grow just fine. They taste the same, and then I'll get rid of mine. You may see other people on the internet, they keep them in their kitchen in clear glass. They have to kind of monitor the water and make sure the water is changed and keeps clean. And they can kind of maintain green onions for a long time in their kitchen. And other people, will grow green onions in pots on their porch. And if they do this kind of zombie onion thing, they could have almost an infinite supply of green onions. So those are the zombies that I have in my yard. And I will walk out there in a second and let you see what the onions look like in the light of day, what my zombies look like in the light of day.
So here's one little group of some of my zombie onions. These look a little stunted. You can see they're not that big compared to my hand. These were actually planted kind of late in the fall 2021, so they haven't had a big chance to grow. One nice thing about onions is they do really well in cold weather. So it's mid-January and they're still trucking, and I can come out here to the garden and get some if I need some for a salad or something. Here's a few more, and even another one here. The garden's looking kind of rough these days. I haven't paid much attention to it the past couple months with the colder weather, but there they are. Zombies in the light of day.
Okay, there you have it. You've seen how I make my zombies, and you've seen the zombies in the garden, actually. And you can do this with other vegetables. I've seen people do this kind of thing with romaine lettuce, where they think they can have infinite lettuce. I haven't tried that. I only do my onions. If you've had good success doing this with other vegetables, go ahead and comment and let me know.